Yes. Good morning, everyone, and welcome, dear all, in mathematics class. And today I am going to explain here some word problems based on linear equations in one variables for standard 7th year. And this is the first video for this week. So, all you try to understand nicely. So, let's start, students. Here we have one question. Here you can see the ages of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Then find their present ages. Find their present ages. So after 10 years, their ratio of their ages is changing. It becomes 9:7. So we can write that given ratios of Sonal and Manoj's age, that means present age ratio is 7:5. Then we can say let the ages of Sonals and Manoj be 7x years and 5x years, because their ratio given 7:5. So in that case we can consider that x is the common factor. Okay, by that we have cut, after that only this ratio is coming. So SCF, we can say that x is the SCF among these two numbers that we have divided, then only the ratio is coming 7:5. So we can say let the ages of Sonal and Manoj is 7x year and 5x year, that means present age. Then we can have this equation according to the question. We can see this equation, then 7x plus 10 by 5x plus 10 equals to 9/7. That means because we are adding 10 years to both the ages, then the ratio is becoming 9/7, that is 9:7. Therefore now we will do cross multiplication here. Here you can see that 7 into x plus 10 into 9 into 5x plus 10. I have done the cross multiplication there. Then the equation is 49x plus 70. This 7 is multiplying here. You can see this 7 is multiplying to 7x and 10 also. So 7 into 7 49 and 7 into 10 70. Same here, this 9 into 5x is 45x and 9 into 10 is here 90. With its sign they are multiplying. Then change the side, 45x, take it on the left side. Okay, then 49x minus 45x is equals to 90 minus 70. This 70 also we will take on the right side. Okay, so 90 minus 70, its sign will change. Left side it is plus 70, then on right side you will write minus 70. That means on right side it will be subtracted, because on left side this 70 you are adding here, then on right side you will subtract 70. Okay, then 4x equals to 20, then we can write that x equals to 5 only. So this x is the unit digit sorry, x we have says that it is Sonal's present age ratio common factor we have taken, so x is the 5 only here. So present age is 7 into x, means we can write 7 into x is 7 into 5 is 35 years. X was the common factor we have taken. 7x and 5x was the age, that's why. So Sonal present age is 7x, means 7 into 5 35 years, and then Manoj's present age is 5 into x, means 5 into 5, that is 25 years. So this is the answer. You can check also, after 10 years Sonal will become 35 plus 10 45, and Manoj will become 25 plus 10 35. So ratio between 45 and 35, what you will get? 45 by 35. So 5 into 9, 5 into 7. So 9:7 only you will get, because when you will cut that 45 by 35, this you will cut, you will get 9/7 only. Okay, 5 into 9 time and 5 into 7 time. So the ratio is becoming after 10 year really 9:7. That means the answer is, solution is correct, 35 and 25 years. Okay, now next question you can see here what given. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 8 if 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Then find the number. So we can write that let x be the unit digit here. Here x is the unit digit. Then sum of the unit digit and tens digit is 8. Sum of these two digit is 8 according to the question. Their sum is 8. Then we can say the tens digit is 8 minus x. Then you will get the tens digit is 8 minus x here. Okay. Therefore, the number is 10 into 8 minus x. The number is actually 10 into 8 minus x plus x. According to the rule, 10 into tens digit plus ones digit. Then you can write that now when you are adding 18, then the digits are reversed according to the question. So I am adding here 18 to the number. Then we can see the digits are reversed. The tens digit is becoming ones, and the tens digit is becoming unit digit, and the unit digit is becoming the tens digits. So you will write 10 into x plus 8 minus x. X is the unit digit, tens digit now. After adding 18, now x is the tens digit, so 10 into x, and 8 minus x is the unit digit, so 8 minus x you will write. So 10 into x plus 8 minus x. Now we will solve this equation, that you will get this 80 minus 10x plus x plus 18 equals to 10x minus 8 minus x. Now this 80 plus 18 is 98, and minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. Here 10x minus x is 9x, and then 8 is remaining. Okay. Now you change the sides. Minus 9x you take on this side, minus 9x. Okay, you will take on right side, then it is plus 18x. So 18x, and now 98 minus 8. This 8 you will take on right side, on left side. So 98 minus 8 you will get 90 only. So that means 18x equals to 90 after solving this equation. Then x equals to 90 by 18 means 5, because 18 is multiplying here on this side. So on the other side you will divide with 18. You will divide with 18. So 90 by 18 is 5. Then the tens digit is equals to 8, because x is the unit digit we have taken. X equals to unit digit. So x is 5 here. Then the tens digit is 8 minus x, because the sum of the two digits tens and unit is given in the question 8. The sum of these two digits tens and unit is 8. So the tens digit is 8 minus x, means 8 minus 5 is 3. Then the number is very clear, 35 only. Required number is 10 into tens digit plus unit digit. 10 into tens digit plus unit digit. So 10 into 8 minus 5 means 10 into 3 plus 5 is 35 is the required number. 10 into 3, 30 plus 5, 35. So I hope you have understood from here. Now the next question we have this. The length of the rectangular field is twice its breadth if the perimeter of the field is 150 meters. So perimeter is given 150 meters. Find the length and breadth. Find the length and breadth. So you can take that. Let the length and breadth of this rectangular field is L and B meter. L meter and B meter respectively. So we can have this diagram, that L meter and B meter. So length is here given L meter and breadth is B meter I have taken. Okay. Now if the perimeter is 150, so what is the perimeter of rectangle? That you have to think. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Yes, just think in mind. It will come, it is actually 2 into length plus breadth. So this we will write here, that according to the question we have perimeter 2 into length plus breadth is equals to 150. Okay, 2 into length plus breadth in bracket. Okay, so L plus B equals to 75 then, because 2 with 2 you can divide 150. L plus B, you can write that this, the L plus B equals to 150 by 2. 150 by 2 means 75. So you will get that L plus B is 75. Then in question given, length is double of breadth. L equals to 2B, double of breadth. 2 into breadth. B is breadth here, L is length. Then put the value, putting L equals to 2B in this equation, L plus B equals to 75. In the equation, L plus B equals to 75. So at place of L here, we will write 2B. So 2B plus B means 3B equals to 75. So B equals to 75 by 3. Here 3 will, on the other side 3 will divide here, because in this side, left side, it is here multiplying 3 into B. So other side you will divide. So B equals to 75 by 3 means 25. Okay. So that means we have got that breadth is 25. Yes, if breadth is 25 meter, then we can say the length is double of breadth, that means 2 into breadth. So 2 into 25 is 50 meter. So this way you can solve the exercise now. Question number 22 to 30 of exercise 7B. Okay, from R.S. Agarwal book. So thank you all of you, and watch these videos nicely for understanding all the word problems. Thank you all of you.